Problem number 3, accountancy, first English medium. Okay. From the following trial balances, prepare final account of Sachin Traders for the year ended 31st-3/2019. Okay, remember one thing. When we are preparing the final accounts, we must aware about trial balance and what is the trial balance debit aspects, record in the trading account which side, P&L account which side, and balance sheet which side. This is the first one. In the same manner, the trial balance credit aspects are recording in trial balance which side, P&L account which side, and balance sheet asset side. This is remember one thing first of all. Already we have discussed in the previous problems. The trial balance debit aspects must be recorded either trading account debit side or P&L account debit side. If any rest of the transaction, it should be transferred to balance sheet asset side. This is one important thing. Another one important thing means the trial balance credit aspects must be recorded either trading account credit side, either P&L account credit side. If any rest of the transactions, it should be transferred to balance sheet liability side. This is remember first of all. So we discuss about third problem. What is the debit trial balances transactions? Cash asset side, purchases trading account debit side, wages trading account debit side, opening stock trading account debit side, salaries P&L account debit side, insurance P&L account debit side, carriage on purchases trading account debit side, furniture asset, and sales returns, it must be deduct from the sales on credit side, and rent P&L account debit side, machinery is asset and asset must be on asset side, debtors asset side, discount P&L account debit side, bills receivable P&L account balance sheet asset side. This is about and debit and aspects of the trial balance. Come to the credit side of the trial balances, bank overdraft, liability side, sales, trading account credit side, purchase returns must be deducted from the purchases. This is the another thing. Capital, liability side, commission received, P&L account debit side, creditors, liability side. Okay, this is about and trial balance credit balances. Come to the adjustment. Every adjustment must be effective in any two accounts, either trading account or P&L account, trading account or balance sheet, P&L account or balance sheet, whatever it may be. It should be and record twice anywhere in two accounts respective. Outstanding salaries, it must be added to salaries and the same amount must be recorded on the liability side. Closing stock, it must be trading account credit side, it must be and assets of the balance sheet. Prepaid insurance, it is asset side and again it must be deducted from the insurance. Outstanding wages, wages must be added in the trading account to wages. The same amount must be shown in the balance sheet liability side. Next, depreciation on machinery 10%. We must calculate 10%. The 10% of the depreciation must be debited to P&L account. The same amount must be deducted from the machinery. This is about third problem. Come to the one by one. First in trial balance debit side. And what are the aspects related to trading account? And first of all, it must be recorded in the debit side. Okay. First one, opening stock. This is the opening stock and 2,500 is given in trial balance. Next, purchases and purchase returns are under record given in the trial balance credit side. It must be deducted from the purchases 500 rupees, we get 4,500 rupees. Wages is also given in trial balance debit side and outstanding wages must be added 300 rupees, we get 1,300 rupees. Carriage and purchases, it is given in the trial balance debit side, and trial balance debit side, it must be on the debit side. So, and complete what are the aspects related to trading account, first of all in trading account, and come to the credit side of the and trading account. So when you are recording the credit side of the trading account, we must observe on credit side of the trial balance only. By sales, the sales returns are given in the debit side. Sales return 600 rupees, deduct from the sales, we get 8,400 rupees. This is the another one. Next, closing stock, it is given in the trial balance, it is given in the adjustment, it must be given in the adjustment, so it must be taken into the and trading account credit side. Closing stock almost all given in the adjustment only. Next, and you take the both the debit aspect related to trading account, credit aspect related to trading account, then total them which side is highest amount. So almost all this side is highest amount, so and total them 12,900 rupees. So this is the credit total. Debit total is 8,800 rupees. The balance is 4,100 rupees. In as per the nominal account rule, trading account or P&L account record debit side expenses and losses, credit side incomes and profits. Incomes is more than the expenses, we get the profit. Profit must be recorded here, gross profit 4,100 rupees. And come to the trial balance debit side. Why? Because we are preparing the trading account, P&L account, we are preparing the P&L account debit side aspects. So first observe in trial balance debit side, salaries is there and outstanding salaries given in the adjustment 500 rupees, 1,500 rupees. Rent is also given in trial balance debit side, rent 800 rupees. This is the next. Again, insurance is given in the and trial balance debit side 900 rupees and prepaid insurance 400 rupees, we get 500 rupees. Discount is also given in the trial balance debit side to discount and 400 rupees. Depreciation given in the adjustment 10% on machinery and 5,000 at the rate of 10%, 500 rupees. This is about and debit side of the P&L account is completed. Come to the P&L account credit side, we observe in credit side in trial balance, any incomes is given in the trial balance on credit side only. So here only one income is there, commission received. Commission received must be recorded here only. The gross profit must be transferred to this side. Okay. Again, which side is highest amount, that should be added first of all. Then and which side is lowest amount, it should be added. And next, and what is the difference between either gross net profit or loss, net profit or net loss? So as per this account, this is the highest amount 5,300 rupees. This is credit balance. So incomes is more than the expenses. Expenses is 3,700. So difference is 1,600 is net profit. So to net profit 1,600 rupees. This is about and P&L account. Next, come to the balance sheet. So what are the trial balance debit aspects? Recording related to trading account is over and recorded and the P&L account is over. The rest of the transactions must be recorded on the asset side. So and observe on the debit side of the trial balance, cash, this is one, bills receivable, this is one, debtors, this one. Next, closing stock, it is given in the adjustment. Furniture, it is given in the trial balance. Machinery given in the trial balance. Depreciation on machinery 500 rupees, we get 4,500 rupees. Prepaid insurance, it is given in adjustment, it is taken into the account asset side. So come to the trial balance credit side. Why? Because we are recording on liability side, we must observe on credit side of the trial balance only. So creditors, bank overdrafts, outstanding wages, outstanding salaries, this is given in the adjustment, it is also recorded on the liability side. Capital is also given in trial balance. Net profit is getting through P&L account, it is also added to capital. So 16,600 rupees is net amount. And after that, and we are and check the all adjustment recorded twice or not, and next stage. Outstanding salaries, this is the outstanding salaries. First one, the same amount record here only. Next second one, closing stock, here only the same closing stock and record here only. Next, prepaid insurance record here only as well as and asset side. Next, outstanding wages is record here only, the same outstanding wages is record on the liability side. Next, depreciation on machinery is calculated here only, the same amount must be deducted from the machinery. So all transactions, adjustment transactions record twice. When we are conclude, then only total the assets, total the liabilities. The total of the assets is 19,400 and the total of the liabilities also and 19,400. Assets is 19,400, liabilities is also 19,400. So this is about problem number 3. Okay.